Are you curious about curbside pickup? I'm about to place an order right now, so let's check it out. I'm looking at getting a ladder from Home Depot, it's on sale, and a power washer from Lowe's because that's on sale. My HOA cited me for having mold in my house, which is ridiculous because I can barely see it close up, so how they saw it from the street, who knows? Maybe someone doesn't like me. But I've been putting it off for a while, so it's time to get that cleaned up today. But we still need to social distance. So those orders are placed, and here's my confirmation email saying they'll message me when it's ready. So Lowe's just called and said that they have free delivery if I live within 25 miles of them, same day delivery. So I went ahead and did that for them. But we still have the ladder to pick up from Home Depot, and they messaged me saying it was ready, so let's go ahead and get that. And I'll just keep my sweats on. And he's gonna keep his pajamas on.
Yeah.
Outdoors get more done.
850-108. And there she is. And while I was gone, Lowe's dropped this stuff off. Okay, so now we'll get in some work clothes. So I got all this stuff same day without waiting in a line and keeping my social distancing going. So let's get to work.